You're trying to save money. Applying credits in QuickBooks Desktop can help. Credits can reduce your expenses or outstanding balances. Understanding this process is key for efficient accounting. Let's break down applying credits step by step. First, open QuickBooks Desktop. Locate the Customers menu at the top left. Click on Receive Payments. Now, choose the customer who has the credit. Find their name in the customer list and select it. Next, look for the Credits tab. This shows all available credits for that customer. Choose the specific credit you want to apply. Confirm the amount and ensure it's correct. After selecting the credit, it automatically reduces the balance due. Double-check the payment amount now shows the adjusted total. Then, click Save and Close to apply the credits. Congratulations! You've applied a credit successfully. Consider this example. You have a customer who paid $100 but later received a $25 credit. Following our steps, you navigate to their invoice. Instead of paying the full amount, you apply the $25 credit. This reduces their total payment to $75. It's efficient and keeps your records accurate. To recap, to apply credits, open QuickBooks, select Receive Payments, choose the customer, locate the credits, select your credit, verify the amount, and save. Mastering this process improves your bookkeeping. It optimizes finances and maintains clear customer accounts. Ready to streamline your accounting? Open QuickBooks now and start applying credits efficiently. Your records will thank you.